Whakalo Fatima Ko. I'm here going to my nephew Kingston's house for a haircut. Come for a fade. Going to a wedding on Saturday. Whakalo Fatu. My sister Sandy. Alola kai. Ko whē COVID. Hey, so how are you? It's on my YouTube.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, this is my nephew Kingston gonna cut my hair. Do you have an Instagram? Oh yeah. Follow him on Instagram. What's your Yeah.
So, you just want the same as last time?
Yeah, just a fade. Yeah, and just, yeah, fade.
Cutting the top or just leaving the top?
Just leaving the top, man. Trying to keep whatever I can on the top because the hairline's running backwards. How long have you been cutting hair now, Kingston?
Like a year and a half now.
Oh yeah. Oh sweet, man. So yeah, I'm trying to get a fade. Zero fade, leave the top, and just tidy up the beard, eh? Oh sweet. So if you're looking for a haircut, oh we'll see how it'll look after. Stop recording.
Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop.
So why is it got to be so damn? Let's go!
Oh, that's looking pretty sharp. Can you get the back? Get the back. Oh yeah. Waka wailahi, my bro. Yeah. This is oh man, I'm ready for the wedding now. Yeah, this is the manager here. Making sure make sure I don't leave without paying. She's blocked me off. You ain't having visitors, eh?
Here we go again.